This is the amount of hair my son lost. As I said, he's autistic. He doesn't do his weekly routine. So when I get a chance to get him in a good mood, this is how much hair he shed. We're going to try and get a different solution or system that him not to shed so much hair one time. But his hair is still looking healthy. Stay tuned and see how it's looking. This is the condition of my son here today. We haven't done a wash day for a little while. So I'm going to be washing today and using our products. So I want you to come along and see his journey of how we, wash his hair. His hair is tangled, is knotted. You can tell. It's even got some of my hair in there. I'm going to be using my shampoo bar. It's still a work in progress, but it's been washing my hair so good. And I just wanted to demonstrate how it looks or acts in my son's hair. So I'm going to show you today. All right, this is my shampoo bar. Still a work in progress, but it's amazing. And also we're going to use our conditioner, which is our deep conditioner. And it's made with hair-loving butters and oils that is going to create mucilage for his hair. So it's not going to be so hard to detangle. His hair is going to be easier to detangle. All right, let us begin. So we're going to start off by having some fun. Give him a little, This is going to be a challenge today. Some of them here look like them are lock already. Oh, God. I'm not looking forward to this. I'm going to start off by hydrating his hair and make sure, him hair saturated with water so we can start the process of cleansing and then detangling and then moisturizing, oiling, massaging, styling. So yeah, let us dive deep in. So I'm going to be using my shampoo bar. So this is my herbal shampoo bar, which is a cleansing bar. Now I'm going to strip him here. It's just going to cleanse his hair and maintain his scalp, which is going to result in a healthier scalp, meaning better growth. And you can see it's start detangle him here already. This is made with a lot of herbs that is going to, love up the hair strands, and oils and butter that will absorb naturally into the hair strands. This is the second wash. And it's sudding a little bit more than the first one, because the first one never sud as much because it's a bit greasy and dirtier. But the second one, it sud quite well. And as I said, it's not a stripping shampoo bar. It's more of a nourishing, moisturizing, hydrating shampoo bar, because it's going to leave his hair strand healthy, strong, shine, and resistant to breaking. Although he shed a lot in this session, it's because in routine out of the way. As I said to you, he's autistic and he doesn't like to have his hair done. He's got sensory issues, and sometimes it's hard for him to really keep up the routine of his hair. Everything else him have a routine with, but him don't like him hair done. So we have to get into a little, frame of mind before we can actually get his hair done. And look how him here so nicely. Normally he would be crying because him just don't like it, and the shampoo that we use sometimes is not as mucilage as my shampoo bar. So this time around, he said he had a pleasant time, and you will hear in the video when he tell you, say, him never in a no pain. It was good, and his wash time was amazing. So yeah, I give this shampoo bar 10 out of 10, not because it's mine, but because the result is right here. All right, so we're gonna cleanse his hair, and I'm gonna come back and show you what else we've done. Oh, before me go away, I forget to tell you, he's got low porosity here. So because him got low porosity here, him hair harder to absorb like moisture. So I had to, drench him here at the beginning to get it all saturated and ready for the shampoo. So now you can see him here also well, because him hair strands are really saturated now, because the hair shaft open, because I use the warm water to open it up. So now I'm just going to do a little scrubber dub and try not to tangle it more, because the more you scrub it, the more it gets tangled. So I'm going to try to keep it as straight as I can and wash it and detangle as I go through. And as you can see, the shampoo bar is actually helping detangle his hair. This is not a 2-in-1. This is just a shampoo bar. And him keep him hair long, you know, that shrinkable as how it used to be. But as we go along in the video, I'll show you how much hair him shed, how shrinkable him hair do be, and what I've done to help, you know, keep him hair healthy and strong, and the ways I use to open him shaft because him have low porosity. All right, so I'm just gonna do the little scrubbing, rinse off, and then I'll come back. All right, after I rinse out, I'm gonna go in with my liquid herbal shampoo, and this is just gonna seal everything that I did and just make him hair more, you know, hydrated and add more nutrients to his hair shaft. I have to use these two as a combo because it helps his hair, you know, grow, and it helps him hair to be healthier and more resistant, as I said, to breaking, not shedding, but breaking. And if I did his hair routinely every week, he wouldn't shed so much. I guarantee you, he wouldn't shed so much because we've tried it before. But it's overstimulating for him and him can't handle it. So I just work with what he can give me, and him here still maintain it, clean it nice, and I make sure, you know, I keep it nice and hydrated throughout the whole time that he hasn't had his routine. So yeah, so I use 2 different means to cleanse his hair, and none of them is stripping. It's healthy for his scalp, and it's non-chemical, no harsh chemical or no parabens or no, you know, colorants or anything. It's just proper herbal shampoo. You cannot lose when you're with me. My shampoo bar helps, and my liquid shampoo is amazing. Alright, and they're all herbal shampoos. Very good for your hair. Look at that. Got all that sud. You see the little bit when we use? Yeah. It's not stripping or clarifying. It's just a normal shampoo. What are you saying, baby?
You know, from the start of this, I haven't felt a single bit of pain.
No pain. See? No pain. Hair time is amazing, isn't it?
Only if you're using that shampoo.
Only if I'm using the shampoo.
Yeah, I'll be
true. I'll wash you off. Okay. Hear that, guys? Only if I'm using my shampoo. And then we're going to go in with our conditioner in a minute. And you all can see. No tangle, see? No tangle. Everything still look straight and nice.
very relaxing.
Very relaxing, baby. Oh, that's what we want. Steam frame, steam frame. Nice. Alright, we'll come back when we're going to put the conditioner in, alright? Nice, healthy hair, boy. You're beautiful, baby. It's got lots of hair. You see him here shrink up?